Today I want to demonstrate how to use the unique function in Excel. This new function is available in Microsoft 365, Excel Online, and Excel 2021. Here's how it works. The unique function is one of the easiest to use in Excel. In my example here, I am showing a list of home sales that I've made in the past about 5 years. And every city where I've made the sale shows up in my table. I want to get a single list where each city that I've ever sold a home with only shows up one time. So I need to get rid of the duplicates for my list. So all I really have to do is select where I want my list to appear in Excel. So I picked cell L2. Click on the Insert Function button right next to the formula bar and find Unique. It's already here, but otherwise I could have typed it in the search and clicked OK to find it. Now I'll click OK. And there's really only one argument that I have to tell it, and that's where is the array, or what column has the information that I need to pull the unique list from. And that is the city column in this table. So I'm just going to select that column. It shows up here as Table 1 and then the city column. I really only have to click OK, and now I have my list. And that's really all there is to it. This is Gina with this month's Microsoft tip. To learn more about our company, visit us at officeproductivitytraining.com.